Want to secure all your devices with one VPN connection? In this video, we'll show you how to share your Astral VPN connection from your Windows PC in just a few easy steps. Stay tuned if you're using Windows 10 or later. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is connect your PC to Astral VPN. Open your Astral VPN app, choose a server that fits your needs, and tap the power button. This ensures that the VPN will protect all traffic from your computer and the devices you connect. With Astral VPN, you can access secure, high-speed servers worldwide, keeping your connection fast and private.
Now that you're connected to Astral VPN, let's set up your mobile hotspot. Click on the Start menu, then go to Settings. From there, click Network and Internet and select Mobile Hotspots.
Turn on Mobile Hotspot by toggling the switch, and make sure you select the correct network you want to share from the drop-down menu. The final step is to share your VPN connection with the hotspot. To do this, go to Network and Internet Settings again, but this time click Change Adapter Options. Right-click your Astral VPN connection, select Properties, and then head over to the Sharing tab. Check the box that says Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Finally, from the drop-down menu, choose the mobile hotspot connection you just created. Now, all the devices connected to your hotspot will share your secure Astral VPN connection. Whether it's browsing, streaming, or gaming, everything is protected. And there you have it. Your Astral VPN connection is now being shared across all your devices through your Windows 10 or later PC. This is a great way to secure devices that don't natively support VPN apps. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on maximizing your Astral VPN experience. Stay secure, stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video.